Alright, like we were talking about before, we are going to now prime the floor. So before we put our underlayment on, we put down this, it's by Kiesel, and it's a primer that allows tile and actually mortar to stick to anything and to make sure it sticks and sticks well. Because if you try and put mortar on top of anything with dust, dirt, grime, any of that stuff, the mortar just can't stick to it. So you put this down with, you can either use a paintbrush or a roller, and about an hour later it's dry and ready to go. So for substrates that are porous, like concrete and porous plywood, you dilute it 1 to 1. Say 1 cup of water to 1 cup of the primer. And then basically you just paint it on, just like you would. So around the edges, you paint it on with the paintbrush, and then when you get to the middle, you would roll it on just like that. You don't have to be too careful, just be careful not to get it on anything you don't want to turn blue, because it will do that. But besides that, you wait an hour after you finish the floor and you're ready to start putting down your mortar.